variables. I'm going to go to variables. What are variables? So, I remember you might have learned this in school or somewhere you would have probably learned this. Python variables variables mean something that varies. One variable that I learned in school was actually 1, like if you have 5 plus 3, 5 plus x equals to 8. I have to find out what the x value is. So values in Python are way different than that though. So our values are, if I put x as a number here and I have to put a equals, I put 5. So the value of x, let's put it here. So before you write something so if you have to write something, before you write something as a pointer note or a description and you don't want the code to consume it or to even look at that, you have to put this sign here, I like this sign, it's a really fun way of saying it. It looks like a tic-tac-toe one to me. But if we do it like this, so the value of x is equal to 5. So the value of x is equal to 5. The value of x is equal to 5. So if I put a command as in print x, it won't print the letter x. It will print 5. It won't print the letter x. So, and if we have y is the value. Okay, so I'm gonna just copy this quickly. So the same thing for y. The value, but the thing that differs is the value of y is equal to this code line, hello world. So even though you're just putting this, you have to put the commas for the double quotes and the comma if you are thinking about grammar punctuation. But you have to always remember to put those double quotes even when you are making a variable, or else it will not work. Let me see what happens if we don't actually put it. Let's give it a try. See? Syntax error. So as we know now, these are syntaxes. Ta-da! So all of these comes under syntax, and if you see, these are our x, y, and now that we know our x, y variables and how we have to use variables, when you're writing your line of code, you have to put print, open bracket, your letter. It can be any letter, it doesn't matter. Then it has to be your close bracket. So you remember one more thing when you're writing a command line, just put these. All you have to do is press Shift 3. That most likely is your normal output. Yours might be different, but all you have to do is put this when you have to make a comment. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.